Example 2. Allison sells cosmetics part-time from door to door. She is paid a monthly commission. She receives 11% of her first $900 in sales, and then 17% of the balance of her sales. Last month, she sold $1,250 worth of cosmetics. How much commission did she earn last month? The first question we want to ask is, how much does she receive for her first $900 in sales? We know that she gets 11% of that 900. So that is 900 times 0.11, or $99. Now, we know that she sold more than $900 in sales. So, what's the balance of her sales? How much more than 900 did she sell? So, we know, according to the problem, that she sold $1,250. That is $350 more than 900. So that is the balance of her sales. We know also that she will get 17% of that balance. So how much does she receive for the balance of her sales? She will receive 350 times 0.17, or 17% of it, which comes out to be $59.50. Now we know she receives both the $99 and the $59.50. So how much commission does Allison earn last month? Well, that's $99 plus $59.50, or $158.50.